G'day guys, welcome to Photographyrides. This is my Yamaha FZ1S. It's one of the two that I have. It's the 2008 model. It's the one I crashed and did the Euro conversion kit on. Originally it looked like this. I'll put a link down below for the conversion kit if you haven't seen it already. I was very lazy when I painted the tank. I didn't strip the paint back. All I did was gave it a light sand and painted over the top of it. It did turn out alright, I thought anyway, but after a year it started to peel off, and so I'm going to have to redo it again. This time I'll do a better job, hopefully. Yeah, so strip it back, paint strip it, and then give it a sand and give it a good paint over again, and hopefully it will hold up. And while I'll start on my, hello Maximus, how are you my boy? So I was saying, I've got some problems with my FZ1 here. Yeah, so hopefully I'll get this up and going again. Don't know what the exact problem is at the moment, but what I will do is the airbox mod as well. Since I'll have it off, I might as well go and do that. Redo the tank, and in the meantime I've put the other tank on the bike, so at least I've got something to ride while I'm doing everything else. Sounds like a good idea, eh Max? Yeah. So after I stripped the paint to bare metal, I washed it off with water, dried it, and then went and got some Rust-Oleum white spray paint. Gave it about 3 coats. Turned out quite nicely, I think. And also put 3 coats of clear coat on as well. Then I put some decals on the tank, and the tank protectors, and eventually also the tank grips as well. Turned out awesome. And there you go, all nice and pretty. Hopefully, well, the paint won't come off.